cats and kittens, we're going to add a coupon to WooCommerce. So once you get logged into your dashboard, head on over to WooCommerce, and from there you'll see coupons. So click on that. Once the coupons load, you'll see a list of your existing coupons. You could search for one if you happen to know what you're looking for. If not, let's head on over to add a coupon. Alright, the easiest thing to do here is to click the generate coupon code so you don't have to think of something creative. Optionally, you can put in a description. This description may show to the customer, so be careful what you put in there. Let's do an example. Jane Doe, 30% off, because we're going to make a coupon that only she can use. So there's the 30% off. Alright, now we're going to come down to the discount type, and since we're doing percentage, we want to do a 30% discount. We can say whether that applies to free shipping. Usually that's unchecked. We can set an expiry date if we want to. Now, a couple more important steps in this is we've got to restrict it. So under usage restrictions, we can say whether you have to pay a certain amount before you can get this discount. But in this case, it's just a general 30% off for a customer. We do want to say that it's individual use only, so it's not, you can't use it in combination with other coupons that they may have. The other thing that's important in this particular site is we want to exclude certain categories because you sell e-gift cards and such that are more cash based. So we don't want to provide a discount for that, and we don't want to provide a discount for the order note cards that are available. So we're going to come in here and we're going to exclude the category gifts, and we're also going to exclude the category premium gift cards. So that's a fairly important step there. If I only want this to be restricted to Jane Doe's email, I could put that in here. If not, we're just going to make the assumption that she's the only one that's going to have the code and will be the only one to use it. And we're going to further restrict it that it can only be used one time. We do that on the next screen. But just a note here that you can put in allowed emails for this. Now let's go into the usage limits over here on the left, and we're going to say that this coupon can only be used one time. So if she shares it or it gets out there, not a bunch of other people can utilize it. So we're just going to restrict it to that once per coupon, regardless of who uses it. And let's go ahead and publish this coupon. So this coupon code will now be able to be delivered to the customer however you wish. Now let's say I've got a couple more customers I need to do. I can go through that same process again, or once I have this coupon up, there's a way to duplicate it. So I'm going to say copy to new draft over here on the right, and that will create me a new draft coupon. Everything else is the same as I've set up. I'm going to generate a new code. I'm going to make this one not specific to a particular person, and again, this is completely optional here. And everything, all my other settings are in place, from the percentage off, the usage restrictions, the category restrictions, and the limit of one per coupon. And just publish that one, and I can keep going in that fashion. From the coupon list screen, so when I first came in and I went to WooCommerce and coupons, if I mouse over one here, I also have the ability to clone that and create a duplicate. And that's really about it. Cheers.